Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock HONOR X5c Plus without password. Okay, as you can see, the device is fully locked. I cannot remember my screen lock, and I'll show you what to do next. But before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, and we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But there is a second option, and it's signing in into the Google account into which we were logged in before the reset on our device. So that's the thing that we will have to perform. If you don't remember your Google account, there is a chance that you will have to perform a bypass. Okay, everything has been discussed. If you want to go forward, follow my steps. We need to power off our device, so let's click power button and volume up button and click on power off. Okay, now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button until we see the HONOR logo. When it appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So let's begin. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so don't worry, and keep repeating until it works. Alright, the HONOR logo appeared, so I can release the finger from power button, but I'm still holding volume up. Alright, now we can navigate through this menu using the volume keys. If you want to confirm the selected option, click the power button, but as you take a look, the touch screen also works. Select clear data. Now factory reset, type the word yes using your keyboard and click on factory reset. The process has now begun, so we need to wait a little bit. Alright, now click on back and select restart. Now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on and the setup process will appear on the screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.